What if I told you that numbers have families that never stop growing, like ever? Today we're diving into the world of multiples, finding their common ground and hunting down the LCM, the lowest common multiple. Grab a pen, let's have fun. Today we will learn what multiples really are, how to find them easily, lots of fun examples, and a cool pattern trick. What is a multiple? Think of a multiple like a number's many siblings. For instance, to find the multiples of 3, we just skip count by 3. It's basically just the 3 times table. Here we go. This goes all the way to infinity. You see, these numbers right here are all multiples of 3. The list goes on to infinity. If you can multiply a number by a whole number, you've found a multiple. Easy, right? Now, notice something cool. Every number in this list can be divided by 3 with no remainder. They are all friends with 3. Pause the video right now and try listing the first 8 multiples of 4 in your own paper. Ready? Go. Okay, welcome back. Did you get this? Did you get this? High five if you did. Let's make it even more fun. Let's find multiples of some numbers you already love. First, multiples of 5. These are easy because they always end with 0 or 5. See the pattern? It's like counting in fives. These right here, multiples of 4. Now, multiples of 7. This one is a bit trickier, but still fun. Wow, did you notice that 35 appears as a multiple of 5 and also as a multiple of 7? That's because 35 is a common multiple of 5 and 7. We'll talk about that next. Now, what happens when two numbers have a play date? Let's look at the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 3. Multiples of 2 are and so on. And for the multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. See, these guys in the middle, they belong to both lists. They are called common multiples. They are the bridge between the two numbers. Now, among these common multiples of 2 and 3, the lowest one is 6. 6 right here is the lowest one. So we call it lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Actually, multiples are everywhere in real life. Imagine 2 bells ringing in your school. One every 3 minutes, another every 4 minutes. When will they ring together again? That's LCM. Or think about your favorite football team scoring every 5 minutes in the game. Multiples help you predict scores. Even when sharing sweets with friends, multiples help you share equally. Math is actually your real life superhero. If we know the multiples of 2 or more numbers, we will use them to find the least common multiple, which is LCM. And LCM is actually the secret key to adding and subtracting fractions, solving riddles. In fact, you'll need LCM a lot in your math journey. This is the foundation, and you've just built it strongly. Actually, we do care about LCM a lot. And in the next video, we'll talk more about the best way to find LCM, especially when dealing with bigger numbers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the exciting things we'll be learning here. Which numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5? 15, 30, and 45. They are the common multiples of 3 and 5. And of course, this right here is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Mind blowing? Quick tip before we finish. A very common mistake is forgetting to multiply by 1. Some people just go 3 times 2, 3 times 3, and they forget 3 times 1. Don't worry, we'll fix all mistakes in the next video. If this video helped you, please touch the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell down there so you never miss the next fun and educative lesson. Comment below, I am a multiples champion. You can also tell me which topic you want me to cover. In the next video, we'll learn the smartest way to find LCM. It's even more exciting. See you in the next one. Math Stars. Bye for now.